creating an appointment in Sugar, you will go to the record overview screen, and before you set the appointment, you're going to want to scroll down to interests. If the interest or interests that you are setting the appointment for have already been created, then we will go forth and set the appointment. If one or more of them have not been, you need to create the interest before you set the appointment. So we'll do a test one. We'll create an interest for roofs. For instructions on just creating interests, see the Creating Interests in Sugar training video. So now that we've created the roof interest, we're going to scroll back up to the action buttons, and we're going to click Set Appointment. A pop-up will appear. On the first page of the wizard, we're going to select the primary component for this appointment. We're going to select roofs. In comments, you can type in anything that you need for the appointment. Click Next. Now select Other Interests. This will list all of the interests that have been created for this record. So if it's only for one interest, roofs, we would check that. If it's for more, you're going to want to check all of the interests that the appointment is being set for. Select the date of the appointment. Select the time of the appointment. And the time block. Click Submit. Once you hit Submit, it is going to redirect you to the appointment overview screen of the appointment that you just created. By default, the set by is going to be you who created the appointment. So if the setter is anyone else, you're going to need to manually change that. You will also see where it says accounts and then the name. What this is it's telling you the record that this appointment is attached to. So if it was a lead, meaning that this record has never had a sale before, it would say lead and then the name of the record. Because the record that we're using for this example has had a sale, it says accounts. If we click this, it is going to take us to the record overview screen, in this case, account overview. If we scroll down to activities, the open appointment that we just created is listed. We'll click that to navigate us back to the appointment overview screen. And that is creating an appointment in Sugar.